Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today we are going to be doing the Partners in Cream Project Pan intro. I know that I am so behind on this intro, but that's okay. I was behind last year too, so anyways, I am ready to show you guys all of the products that I picked out for this year. I did end up finishing quite a few items last year, and I think that's the motivator for me to do this again this year because I did get through a lot of different cream items. When I did that like end of the year interview or whatever it was, I didn't realize how many items I truly got through until I did that, and I was like, wow, I really did get through a lot of cream items this year. So I was pretty proud of myself for that, and using up cream items and deciding I either didn't like them or I wanted to keep them in my collection and whatnot. So anyways, you guys know this project is created by Steph Lyons and Dalyn here on YouTube, and obviously the hashtag is going to be Partners in Cream, but I do believe that they have tweaked it a little bit to be Partners in Cream 2021 so that last year's updates don't get mixed in with this year's updates. So yes, I am going to show you all of the items that I have. So I was working on this in the Roulette Pan collab, but I kind of let that project fall by the wayside because I had a hard time keeping up with that project when I was trying to close out a bunch of other ones. So I have decided to throw this into this project. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Dreamcatcher. This is like the perfect cream highlight for me for work because it is not too daunting, it's not too highlighty, but it's like the perfect amount of lightness with like, I don't even know, like it just sinks into your skin so nicely. It's right there underneath that kiwi green eyeshadow, and I just think it is gorgeous literally year round, especially when I'm not wearing foundation all the time to work. I wear this highlight and it just gives my skin a little extra boost, which is really all it needs some days. But yeah, I do want to get this used up completely, but I think for this project, just to see how far it goes, maybe I'll have a goal to use it like 50 times and see where I'm at from there. Because if it's 50 times and it's like almost gone, maybe I'll just use it up. I don't know. I do want this out of my collection at some point here in the future. But yeah, we'll see. Okay guys, so I just have to show you. I have a ton of sample foundations. These foundations last me so long. So the fact that I have so many little sample foundations, I really want to work through them this year, a ton of them hopefully, so that I can really get a good feel on which foundations I like and which ones I don't like. So the foundation that I'm going to start this project with is the Tarte Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation in the shade Light Beige, and it is 22B. So I think this will be a decent shade match for me right now. It might be a little bit on the pinky side, but it'll be better than being on the yellow side. So I'm going to start with this one, and my goal for this project is to get through 3 or 4 of these little samples. These last me so long, like truly so long. This one has 0.17 fluid ounces in there, so less than a quarter of what a full-size foundation would have, but yeah, this is the one I am going to start with for this project. Okay, you guys, as another product that I wanted to work on, I am going to be working on a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow at least every other time. I mean, I want to really get through some of my Super Shock Shadows. I have so many of them, and they're stored away in a box that I haven't touched in a while, and I really need to get through some of them. So I have my Witch Cream eyeshadow. There are a couple from Ace Beauté or whatever that brand is, and some other brand. I think there's like 1 or 2, maybe, because if I already decluttered them, then they're not there. So I was just gonna do a screen record, but I will just show you guys so you can see it first. So these are all of my cream eyeshadows. Here we go. Hopefully it's not fringe again, because clearly I didn't do good with that. Donna, and it's a Super Shock Shadow, and this one, I know for a fact it is a green color, so that actually might go really, really well with my kiwi from my Panlo's dupes. So I'm gonna go and grab that, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the shade Donna in my collection, and I did touch it and swatch it, and it is starting to get dried out a little bit, but look at how pretty that is. It is so gorgeous. It actually has like a bluish teal look to it to me. And I did swatch it for you guys. So the top one is Donna, and then the bottom one is that kiwi green that I've been using in the Pan Those dupes from Coastal Scents. So I don't know that I would necessarily pair those together, but I think I do have a lot of mattes and stuff that I can pair with this color. So it will be a very interesting shade. However, I think it's a decent shade for the winter time. Not my favorite type of shade by any means, but I definitely do think that I can either hit pan on it, or maybe I'll have a goal of like using it 10 times, and then if I haven't hit pan, I'll have the option to roll it out. That way I can get through more of these this year to actually use some of my collection. So I think that's going to be what it is. I can either go until I hit pan, or I can use it 10 times and then roll it out. And then my last two products are two like little give me products. I really wanted to have a few of these kind of like on their last leg. You should just use it up, Callie, because you're just gonna let it sit there and go bad type of products. So the first one I have is a primer, and it is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It is in this little teeny tiny bottle, which is refillable, which is amazing. So once I do finish this little guy, I am going to be keeping this container because it's like perfect for like a travel size amount of primer, or like, I don't even know, moisturizer or something, because it's like the perfect little size, and it gives enough product in there that you can really, you know, use it and have enough. So there is like a third of it left. It's like right here. Maybe I can give you like a screenshot. There you go of it. And yeah, so I just want to use this up completely, and then like I said, I'll just keep the container. And then the other give me product, well, it's not going to be too much of a give me product because it's going to be like a you gotta use it, Callie type of product. But I'll probably put this in my pocket at work. This is from Bite Beauty. It is the Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Honeycomb. It is a little baby mini, and it is almost done. I don't know why I can't just finish it, but I am obviously struggling to finish it. But I did finish off a full-size lipstick last year, so I do think I can get this done, especially if I put it in my pocket at work. This is such a nice, like, neutral lip color. It does pull slightly orange on me. It would have actually been perfect with my look today, but that's okay. It does pull slightly orange on me, which is fine if I have a warm toned look, but when I do the cool tones, it just doesn't flow at all. So yeah, I'm gonna plan on using this up completely. Hopefully I can have it at least halfway gone by the next update next month. Once again, my updates will go up late next month because I will be out of town at the beginning of February, so I won't be filming any videos then. But yeah, so that is my plan for this one. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this intro. Hopefully this year will be just as successful for me as last year was, because I really want to get through some of these items this year and get some stuff out of my collection that's just been sitting there halfway used and just forgotten about, because that is the plan this year. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.